Okay, fender well's out. Remember, you're gonna have a bolt right there. So, and then you're gonna have the rest of them. Well, you see how dirty it is in this thing. This is your fender well. And we're gonna clean this up, of course, and possibly put some more sound deadener on it. So now I'm gonna get to the door and get the door side of it, get them off right there. So, all right, I got those 3 screws right there, and this is them. They are definitely brighter than the other ones, so keep a note of that. I think that's going to be it. You should be able to pull off. Once you get this off, you'll be able to pull the cap out after you get all the screws. You know, cap will come right out. So anyway, should bet just pop her right off, and we'd be all right. Let's check it out. Okay, there she is. She's off. Dirty. I'm talking. You'd think I took the car through a Baja. As well as I kept this outside clean. Now look at this. And I think, yeah, we reuse a metal bracket, which is awesome because that should give me my holes lined up when I got to re-drill the holes on this. So I haven't test fitted anything. Y'all can see I'm gonna clean all this up. Don't lose your shims. All right, it's not one for there. Let me double check. I didn't see one when I took it off. Because you're gonna need, no, okay, those shims. So don't lose anything, y'all. It's very important. Set them there. All right, let me get this cleaned up, that cleaned up, and we'll get to the next step.